When it comes to benefits, most groups, and especially small groups, tend to look at the same type of plans. And there's an option that I believe is worth considering that many people overlook. Hi, my name is Jesse Sloan, and since 1998 I've been director of the American Association for Long-Term Care Insurance and the National Advisory Center for Short-Term Care Information. We do not sell insurance. Our role is to educate and to advocate both consumers and insurance professionals. So after watching this video, if you have more questions, please speak to the agent who sent you the link. If you're not working with one or would like more information, please feel free to contact our organizations. Thanks. Most healthcare needs tend to be short in nature, and you understand that. If you have a cold or a flu, you're laid up for a couple of days. But the next category of healthcare needs tend to be ones that result as a result of accidents. 37 million Americans have a medically consulted injury every year. 13 million because they have a serious fall, 3.7 million because they're involved in some sort of transportation, which otherwise means a car accident. Those types of injuries can hold you and lay you up for not just 3 or 4 days, but maybe for several months. Typically, they're called short-term care needs. The top 5 reasons for short-term disability insurance claims: pregnancy, most people don't think about that. Injuries, joint disorders, cancer, you recover from cancer, but you may be laid up for several months at a time while you're undergoing treatments. There are gaps in what traditional health insurance and even Medicare insurance covers, but not all the costs are covered, not all the types and situations of care are covered. And because health care coverage and Medicare don't cover all the costs, there is a type of insurance that exists that does, that few people are aware of. It's typically called short-term care insurance. Many people refer to it as recovery care protection because, indeed, that's the primary benefit that these policies provide. Now, the policies are quite different from one company to the next, but in general, they provide up to 1 year of benefits. They cover a wide range of care services, so it might be care in your own home. It might be skilled care in a nursing facility or assisted living community. Some of them will provide prescription drug reimbursement, an important point because many plans don't pay fully for all prescription drugs. Many of these policies are issued up to age 79, which means especially for small groups that have older employees or even retirees who are still doing some part-time work, these plans are ideal for folks like that. Many of the plans have a 0-day deductible or up to a 30-day deductible. There are options that come with them. Why this is important is for many people who have a claim need, they don't have coverage that kicks in immediately. A 0-day deductible means that if you choose that, you have coverage that once you trigger the policy benefits, you have benefits right from the get-go. That's a real benefit for people. So these recovery care protection benefits are typically offered as an affordable voluntary benefit, which means that employees have the option to choose to say, yes, I want this coverage, and then pay fully. But even then, some of the insurers will offer discounted rates for small groups. Some will offer some simplified health underwriting. That's important because that means people who may have some existing health conditions are more likely to be accepted for the coverage. Some of the policies, especially when compared to traditional long-term care insurance policies, will offer identical pricing to single women as they do to men. That can be significant if you have women in the workforce. As I said before, these policies are issued typically up to age 79. Some will actually go beyond that, but this is a general range, and therefore they're available on a voluntary benefit, which means the employer does not have to pay at all. They just have to offer it and let the employees have the amounts paid from their paychecks. So if you'd like to learn more about the various policies that are available and what they would cost for your group, please talk to the insurance agent who shared this video, or feel free to call us. Thanks for watching.